Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning? Let me tell you something. Girls need love too. Yeah, girls need love too. Girls need love. Let me tell you something. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love. Girls need love.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, So Jameka. In today's video we are going to be doing a Sunday reset. Today is currently Sunday, I think it's the 3rd of April 2022. So what's on today's agenda is, okay, we're going to the grocery store. I'm gonna fill up some clothes. I have some work to do on my laptop. Pack my stuff for Cosmo in the morning. I'm gonna give y'all a morning routine, just a morning routine. Yeah, that's to be it. Just get myself ready for tomorrow, grocery store, do my work, study. We can see how that goes, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and get me to 1,000 subscribers. So let's get into this video. I'm hearing something. I don't know where it's coming from. We are about to go to the store. I don't know which store we're going to yet. I think we're going for Buy for Less. Y'all know, you know. You will hear me, you know. But the girls together, I get it. I think the girls to them. So we're going to the store right now. I got my bags. It's, you know, plastic. It's not good. Plastic isn't allowed no more. So you got our bags. And yeah, y'all just gonna see the road.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up.
Y'all see how my maid treat me? She's doing so dirty. Mommy, close. Yeah. There. Sorry, guys. Okay. She's doing so bad. We're going to the next store because they're closed.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up.
And mommy walking faster than me, mommy. Want to be my friend? Why? Hi, mommy. Thought you loved me. I get it.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? I wanna all night, say it.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I know that.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know what you feel. It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. What if you
Okay, so guys, as y'all can see, don't hear me right. Y'all please light it front because it's hot in here. But right now I'm gonna be doing some work, what I was supposed to be doing from yesterday. But like after classes, I used to be so tired. I know I had like Friday and Saturday, but like I just want my weekends to myself. I just choose peace. Okay, I don't know. Okay. So right now I'm gonna be doing some of this work that I do inside computer. It's called sandwich or whatever. We used to be doing assignments and stuff. Right now the topic would be, what topic it would be? Excel. So I'm gonna be doing that, and I'm gonna be watching some Tierbo. Period. You know, I was in the store and my phone started dying. I did not like that. I didn't appreciate that at all. That hurt my feelings.
Whether or not you're using OneDrive, in Excel, most projects begin the same way, with creating or opening.
As you can see, as you can see, I am done 13 on an 88 from the last time I talked to y'all. I don't know when I'll be finished. I really don't know. Let me practice it.
Click cell B6. You must select the cell in order to edit it.
I had a mother. So, I honestly felt dumb just now. I had a
Cell
dumb
C11
moment.
is now
I was about
selected
to
as
skip
well.
that because I thought it was
Excel
wrong.
applies a double border to the cell last selected and highlights previously selected cells in
No,
gray.
I'm done with computer.
All corresponding
This
column
is
and
ghetto.
row headings are highlighted in
You guys,
gray
this
as
is
well.
ghetto. Yo, I'm still
critically panned thriller starring Johnny Depp.
Hey guys, so it is currently 11:02. I am still at it with this assignment, which is due 11:59. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish it. School, you win. At this point, if I just get a 71, I'll be good. Okay, so let me just tell y'all what basically is in my bag. My bag looks a hot mess right now. I just have to edit it. I'll show y'all the edit. Okay guys, so this is what's in my bag. Just disinfectant, the spray bottles, a lot of body mousse, clips, all the other stuff is underneath. That's my 4 towels. Yeah, 4 towels. This is the spiral rod thingy. This is the edge control and stuff. Pins. Under there is the Shein spray thingy. Brushes is under here. Yeah, the brushes and stuff is under here. And then this is the thing, my end papers, what I was telling you guys about. This is another comb. I don't really use that comb because I have pack combs. I think the pack combs are underneath. This is another comb that I won for most improved students, so I just use that like for people who have like rough hair, and I just want like yeah, people who have rough hair, I don't know what I mean. But this is what's basically in my bag. That's the curlers up there and whatnot. But yeah, I also have to pack my chargers for my phone and my iPad. I don't carry my laptop to school because I have enough time to do it. So yeah, I just wanted to pack it before 12 o'clock because I know that I'm not gonna have the time to do it when 12 o'clock comes because I'll be very tired. Like y'all can see it in my look at my face. My eyes are red. Yeah. I basically see what's all inside my bag. That's all my food. And yeah. For another video, I don't know when I'll post the next video, but the next video I'm trying to do like a morning routine on like a school basis, a morning routine on school. I actually want to eat breakfast tomorrow, so I have to meal prep, like make the tuna tonight and then grits in the morning or eggs. Oh, she got bacon. Y'all saw me in the store and I was just like, the cost of living went up, bro. Like, why is a little can of tuna $1.15? Why is a can of tuna $1.15? What's not clicking? Like, thinking I'm gonna end the vlog here. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to get me to 1,000 subscribers. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment a thumbs up in the comment section down below. That's how I know that you watched the whole video. So without further ado, this is so Jameka signing out, and that's on period. Bye. If y'all like my intro outro, let me know in the comments, because I was saying like I work hard on that. Like, I felt like this is the intro that I'm gonna keep for at least a month. But yeah, bye guys.
Let me tell you something. Just need love to